Alright guys, this is the part 3. Gianna will be the camera girl for now. Gotta stay over here though.
Can I go show them around?
Up to Papa.
Papa, can I go show around?
Be back fast.
Okay.
Don't run.
Talk to them too, G.
Okay, so this is the bar. And we come here every day. If you see that little thing, it's just a light. So yeah, now we're walking into a different room. And so this is a room where games were. This was a game, that was a game, that was a game. There were 3 games, and as you can see, if I can hold this still, that says top 100 pizzas, and that says as published in Pizzas Today, 100 hot companions. As you can see, it goes up really high. So, yeah. This is just how the room was, so, yeah. So, now we are looking back, that's the fireplace. It's really black, so I love that. That's beautiful. It is. Has a bunch of roses. I showed them where the games used to be. I showed them that because it's beautiful.
Alright. Did you pause it or I'll be honest?
No.
Okay, good. Because that was started.
Okay, so now we are going to get suckers.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Oh, I'm so full.
So, how many did you grab?
Alright.
How many did you grab?
Same like you. Alright, come on, G. Alright, now we're heading back. We got our 4. We got our suckers.
So, yeah. So these are the suckers that I got.
Right here,
I got a
you're really
mystery,
close to the camera.
watermelon, peach, lemon lime,
All right.
and sour apples.
Blueberries, watermelon, strawberry, and orange.
I done.
Why?
So,
Yeah. And this part 3 here, this was made at 4:48 p.m. and I didn't get to finish uploading it probably because I didn't have Wi-Fi. So yeah, so bye guys.